Hey, good morning everybody. How's it going today? So I got woken up to start trading. I didn't even know I was out. I kind of sleep until like noon or 1 o'clock most days now because I'm watching the market so late at night. But I just want to say good morning, you guys. And it seems like the market ended up picking up, right? Bitcoin ended up spiking up right here. It seems like this was the bottom for now, okay? We're getting a higher high here, right? Higher high, so it's clearly a new impulse wave that's going upwards. So yeah, but I'm actually in a short position for Ethereum right now. I'm in a short position for about $26,000 because I believe this is the first Elliott wave structure that has now officially completed. I was wrong about it, like, saying it was not the bottom, but 135 was my target if it was not, or if it was the bottom, right? But that's okay. It doesn't matter if I'm honestly wrong or not. It doesn't faze me one bit. But one thing that I could be right about is like this is the 5 waves that are coming up here, right? I'm just gonna show you guys it right here. This is clearly the 5 waves that's going on right now. Like something like that, right? So if this is the 5 wave, we're gonna get a very decent retracement. So I'm gonna be pretty excited about making some good profit this morning on it. I'll keep you guys updated soon. Yo, what's up everybody? Good morning, how's it going? I'm super groggy right now. I know it's 1 in the afternoon and I shouldn't say good morning, but I sleep in pretty late lately. And I just want to update you guys with my position. Where is my position here? Let me just open up another Bitfinex. So I'm in a $30,000 position right now, or something like that for Ethereum. I think I'm quite up on it. Not that up on it. I'm up about $100 only right now, but I think it's gonna. This is the top right now, short term for a scalp position. Let's do a quick technical analysis. I think that this is the ABC that's forming right now. Like this is 1. Let me just draw it out for you guys for Bitcoin. I think it's something like that. Okay. If it's not of that structure, then this one here is just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And this one makes the 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one more going upwards like that to make the final 5th wave here for the 3rd subwave going upwards, right? So because I believe this is the ABC, I think we're gonna get a drop on Bitcoin to roughly, I don't know, let's say something like there, right around these ranges to low 3700s. So I am in a decent position right now, I think, for Ethereum. Let's see how this plays out. RSI is getting high. It's starting to lose a little bit of steam right here on the 5-minute charts, right? It's getting lower lows and lower highs, up 115 right now. My closing price is about $130 right there. If I do 130, I'm up $600 for the day, and c'est la vie. So for Bitcoin, or sorry, for Ethereum, yeah, I can't help but think that this is the final 5th wave. But you know what? It could be once again the fourth wave coming down of just the 3rd wave, right? But I think we ended up double topping very short term over here. So I will let you guys know how this ends up playing out. All right, let's just keep looking at the market, guys, and let's just keep going with this, okay? So we see Bitcoin right here. It's doing pretty decent, right? Let's check this out right here. So yeah, it looks like it's honestly making the ABC correction like this coming down, right? So I may as well just turn this into a Bitcoin technical analysis, right? That makes a lot more sense for you guys today. So let's just keep looking at the market and see where it's trending. So we're gonna take the entire structure, right? Let's do this, guys. We're gonna take the entire structure and we're gonna try to do a 1-to-1 just as an example here, okay? So we clearly deduced that this was ABC already, like 1, 2, 3, or sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 3 up there. Oh, sorry, I'm drawing this entirely wrong. Okay, we're gonna end up going like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I think this is the ABC. It's coming down here right now. And who knows if this is the actual one, but I believe that's an impulse wave failure, right? I was talking about that before, where this was the ABC, just right here, A, B, C, and this one here made the attempt to go for the X going upwards. That's W, that's the X for the failed wave, and now we're gonna get even bigger correction to the downside, in my personal opinion, because the 4 hour is already showing a pretty nasty candle, right? So I believe now that this is actually the top of the wave, and I mentioned before that we would hit between $3,800 to $3,900, and that's exactly where it ended up peaking, right? It ended up peaking right around 3,800, because this zone right here is acting as a fairly heavy resistance zone right there, right? Because what was previously a support now turns into a resistance once we break it. And I now believe that this is also going to make whatever this is, right? The A, B, and a C coming down. Who knows where it's going to be? We'll have to evaluate that further. But as it stands right now, if we take the fib structure of the entire range, we're hitting almost the 382 fib region already, right? So I think a lot of people are going to be loading up on their short positions right around this particular range right there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the BTC long and the BTC short. So BTC longs are really falling down hard right now on a 2-hour chart, right? They're starting to get liquidated right now. It ended up dropping about 4 or 5% already. So we're at 30,500 BTC long. And now we take a look at the BTC short table as well, okay? BTC short table, it's only at 23,000. It's fairly low in my opinion, right? But recently it's been starting to rack up right now. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and see how this volume is actually trending. Trending at about $5 billion. Lots of coins reaching double-digit gains, such as Ethereum, such as Tron, tons. Yeah. So we take a look at historical data here as well, right? We're starting to see the volume. Every time we see a dip in the volume, and there's a spike in volume, 6.8 billion. Well, it's really good. Thanks, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's a really good cappuccino.
That's good.
Yeah, so anyways, that we're dipping 4.68 billion dollars, as you guys see here, right? And all of a sudden, bam, spike up to 5.5 billion as well. Ethereum is really getting hit hard. It's trying to spike up. This guy's trying to hold right there at $132, but he ain't gonna hold, guys. He's not gonna hold. It's only 838 or 850. It's only $100,000. It's not much. I could shatter a third of that right now if I wanted to, right? I could literally shatter it with another 229 if I wanted to right here alone. And I'm not a big player by any means. I'm only playing with about $60,000 right now. There's not a lot of money, guys, when you compare it to these other whales here in the market. So yeah, let's go back to the Bitcoin tables here. So I want to explain to you guys the logic, okay, behind how shorting works. Sorry, I'm looking for USD long. I can't find it here. Or it's just USD in general on Bitfinex. Why can't I find it? Alright, here it is. Right here, okay? So once again, this was a really heavy resistance zone, right? Which, it was a heavy support zone that's turning into a resistance, so now it's a heavy resistance zone. And we're seeing some pretty high RSIs, right? We're seeing it peak much lower as well in general. Let's see if we can get any other accurate time frames. I mean, if we break above 3,800, I'll be very surprised. But as it stands, I still see this as perhaps a 1-2, like this, okay? Let me draw it out. See this as perhaps, I don't know what kind of weird wave this is over here, right? Maybe this ends up here somehow. Maybe this is a really weird leading first wave. Who knows what it is, right? Let's see if we can do it on a better time frame even. Yeah, like who knows what that is. Could be somewhere around that region, 1, 2, and I believe that this is all 3, where it made a weird pattern down over here as well. 3, 4, and I believe that that's 5. And now we're working on the ABC correction. This could very well be the ABC correction as well already that has formed. Hence the bearishness, in my opinion, right? Hence also hitting the resistance zone and also near 382 Fibonacci regions as well. So let me just turn on my speaker here. Ah, weird. There we go. Okay, anyways, so then if we end up correcting like that, just as an example, like a target that's very reasonable could even be lower. Like it could be even the $3,200 ranges again, right? Like, and that would be pretty nasty if that happened. But who knows, it could be very heavily truncated. But right now, as it stands, where we are sitting in the market is here, okay? We're sitting right around the golden ratio range where we ended up bouncing back up from it, right? So if you guys take a look right here, we were hitting the golden ratio range and we ended up hitting back down there. But in my opinion, this is also very likely where we could end up getting the where this could be A, that could be B. Maybe we'll even get a little bit higher, right, to 3,900 regions. But then we make one more pop down to the 76 level where we actually start to find support. But as it stands, like, I don't think that the bulls are going to be able to hold this up. See, these guys, they're chipping away on Ethereum, for example, and they're also chipping away as well on Bitcoin as well. Some people are dumping some fairly large numbers. So I think a very good reason, like this was the plan, guys, right? The plan all along was for it to hit $3,800, and because it hit $3,800, I'm incredibly bearish, that's right. So I believe that's an extended WXY correction. So this is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. That's now X right there. That's where W began. And now that we're making another ABC coming to the downside, that's very likely to hit $3,500. So I didn't want to keep this technical analysis too long for you guys today. I'll catch you guys up soon with my positions and what's going on. I'm up a pretty decent amount right now. I'm up $260 actually, if this counts into fees, right? So I'll keep you guys updated later. And don't forget, guys, that my course is still going on right now. If you guys want to learn how I'm doing it in the market, please consider my course. It's still going for $300 American USD, so you guys are welcome to send something to me by Bitcoin. Let me just show you guys it right here, okay? I'm just gonna get my course out here. So I think that we are going to get a very bullish year, right? So all you guys gotta do is send 300 to this Bitcoin address, DM me your screenshot of it, and I'll send you guys a voucher right away. It's an incredibly good course. A lot of people have said that it's one of the best courses that they have seen, and it should literally go for thousands of dollars. So this is not just $300 for course 1 and 2 combined only. This is $150 for each course. So if you've taken course 1 already and you would like course 2, reach out to me and I'll definitely hook you guys up for $150 as well. I think it's a very good investment in general. You guys are getting advice from a professional trader in the market where I've absolutely killed it, as you guys know, in the past 2 years as well. And I'm just sharing a lot of my secrets with you guys. So anyways, have yourselves a great day. Thank you very much always for watching my videos, and I'll keep you guys updated in the market as soon as I can, and especially on Twitter. Bye now.